Hey everybody, this is Steve from SCOARTGLASS. I'm here to talk to you about the camera mount that I made for my grinder station.
On this station, I really don't have a place to mount my camera to really show, grinding and so forth like that. So actually right now, before I do the next piece on grinding the Cardinal project that we're doing, I'm actually gonna make a mount real quick for my camera. So that way I can actually have a capability of producing videos over my grinding station and not have to move it.
Okay, we're back. Um, right now I'm going to use some aluminum flat stock and kind of measure up in the center of the cabinet and make a mark of where I'm going to actually mount it, and check the doors just to make sure that when I close it I'm centered up. Now I need to measure up where I'm going to mount it on the inside and place it, um, and then I will actually bend it down uh, to the contour of the cabinet, and later maybe go bang it out a little bit more to get a better 90-degree angle. Once I do that, then I'll mark it on the inside to ensure I've got good marks, and then I'll just kind of estimate where I will actually make the cut, and how it will actually sit uh, when actually mounted. So here I'm making the estimation of where I will actually want to use my Dremel and make the cut and mark it. Safety first. Okay, what I'm doing now is checking the fit to the where I'm placing it, the bend and the angle at which the camera will be sitting for the piece of platform or wood I want to put on it for the camera to sit on. Here I'm adjusting the angle or the bend at which the camera will be sitting. Next, I will go ahead and mount the platform onto the current mount. This is the platform that is mounted onto the mount. This is what the phone will actually lay on. It'll lay on there flat, and then I'll make a piece to go up and around that the phone can slide into, and then keep it from sliding off.
Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go get got some JB Weld I'm going to put underneath here so that way it can cure, harden, and then I'll have a basic platform to put my phone on so I can videotape over about the grinder. So I'll do that, put some weld on, let it sit, then I'll screw that in, and then we'll be ready to go. Well, there you go. I've got it clamped up right now and mounted right there. So I'm actually going to take it out of my existing holder, and then I've got it all mounted in there. And then basically, if I remove this clamp, then basically I can sit here and I can set my phone right up in here and be able to grind, and I could actually put something underneath if I need to raise it up so I can be able to get a good mount, but I can move this over so more into the center so it's there. So depending on how big of a piece I've got or anything else like that, but just a simple phone mount. So now I can easily film over in this area. All right, we'll start grinding here in a little bit and we'll continue on with our project.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification button for future videos.